Hello, my friends. It's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. It's great to see you guys, and I hope you are all doing well. Before we get started in the video today, I do just want to say thank you to all of you that watched and commented on my video last week. You guys, you wrapped me in so much kindness, so much thoughtfulness, so much love, and for that, I just wanted to say thank you for making me feel so much better. Your sweet comments mean the world to me, and I really, truly mean that. Y'all, that's why I'm here. I'm here for you, and interacting with you guys really is just the highlight of doing YouTube. So thank you so much for taking time to leave me comments. I really appreciated it so much. Today we're going to be doing a video. It's a tag video all about summer. I've got my summer gear on. This is a t-shirt that I actually got in the Target men's section. It was 10 bucks. So very cute. I love the colors. I decided to do my eyes to match, and we are going to be talking all about summer. I've seen several tag videos lately going around YouTube, and I thought I'm going to do something a little bit different. So what I did, I reached into my bag of tricks, and I have an app on my phone that I have had on my phone for years and years. I hope it's still available. I mean, I guess it would be if I can still get into it, right? But it is called Vlogmore. It's right here. And what it is, it's like content ideas for creators. So what you do, you click on it. There is just inspiration topics that you can talk all about, not specifically just beauty, but there's all different type of topics that you guys can, you know, kind of get the wheels turning. There's a whole section on beauty, but there's a tag section that I was looking through, and I decided to do this one. This one looks pretty fun. Sunkissed Summer Tag. So it's going to be asking all sorts of questions about summertime. I know that many of us probably have our sights set on fall already. I know I'm pretty well over this summer heat, and I'm ready for fall. But I decided, since we are smack dab in the middle of the summer, we are going to be doing this Sunkissed Summer Tag. So if that sounds fun, grab a snow cone, grab a big old glass of ice water, and let's get to it. So there are 17 questions that we are going to try to answer. I may not get to all of them, but these should be pretty fun to go through. First question, what is your go-to product for a sun-kissed summer glow? Bronzer, self-tanner, etc. So I would say my go-to product for summer has been this guy right here. This I have talked about in my last video. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the brand new bronzer that I got for my birthday from my friend Mary. This is the Airbrush Bronzer in number 2. This has got the perfect amount of pigmentation. It's not too dark. It's really pretty and blendable, and it just kind of gives a whole warmth to your skin that I don't get from any of my other bronzers. This one is really special, and I really have been enjoying this. I know it's expensive, but wow, look at all the products you get. It is just a gorgeous formula. Another product I wanted to mention is this tried and true body scrub that I have used for the last couple years. It's really hard to get on Ulta's website. They're always sold out of it, but if you can get it, you will love it. It's called the Brightening Vitamin C Body Scrub. It's so good. It has got those kind of really nice, soft, sugary granules in there. It smells like citrus. It's a very pleasant scent. It feels so good on your skin, and it really gets all that dead skin sloughed off. I use it in the shower after I clean my body. I just kind of spread it everywhere. It's a really nice spa type treatment. I love it. It is, let's see, it's made with vitamin C and licorice root to help brighten the skin, and then lactic acid to help skin appear smoother and radiant. So yes, please sign me up. It is really good, very affordable too. All right, question number 2. What book would you recommend for a summer read? So reading is not a specialty of mine. I don't really read. I know I've got friends on here that are avid readers. I am not a reader, so I am not going to be able to give you any recommendations other than Facebook or Instagram. That's about as far as I get reading. Number 3, what's your signature summer scent? So I wouldn't say that I necessarily have a signature summer scent because I kind of go through a lot of my body sprays, but there is one perfume that I purchased. I think I got it for Christmas, and it is from Dolce & Gabbana. It's the light blue, but it's the sun scent. So it's kind of a nice twist on light blue, which is a kind of a really nice classic fragrance. This one is a little bit more citrusy, and I really like this. I would say though, you just need 1 or 2 squirts. It goes a long way, but that's what I really like about this. The scent stays all day long. I love this, and I've really gotten a lot of compliments on it. So I have really been enjoying this. What about my nails? I decided to do tie-dye nails. I saw a video from Young, Wild, and Polished a couple months ago, and I thought, I've got to keep that in mind. So I decided to take my neon colors and do my nails. What do you think? Kind of summery, kind of fun, right? Number 4, the sun is shining and it's time to get outside. What's your favorite thing to do? So this one's kind of easy because I guess maybe starting last fall, I started walking with my son. What we do is we go walking. I walk and he takes his scooter and we walk around the neighborhood. We walk a couple miles, try to do it every day, and we have kept it up all this time, and I love that time with him. Number 1, it gives us time to bond. It gets him out. It gets him active. We talk. We just have a good time. You know, there's kind of like a pond up our way, and he skips rocks, and it's just fun to get out and get active with him. I love doing that, and with the summertime heat, it's been a little bit more challenging because obviously it gets to, you know, in the hundreds here in Texas, but we go early and we have a lot of fun. The other thing I love to do during the summer is swim, of course, but our neighborhood pool has been closed due to the pandemic. So what I did at the beginning of the season, I went to Walmart and got one of those big above ground pools, and we have it out in our backyard. We have all enjoyed it. We just kind of go out there and splash around in it and have fun. Number 5, you're at the beach boardwalk and your stomach is grumbling. What's your go-to summer beach food? The one thing that I do love in the summer are snow cones. Oh my gosh. I love a good snow cone. It's got to be that good kind of creamy, crunchy ice, creamy, crunchy. We have a place, it's a couple miles up the road. Her name is the Snow Cone Lady. That's her business name. And she's got the best, it's like chewy but crunchy ice. So good, such a treat. I could probably have one every day. Number 6, sunscreen is always important, but it's a must in summer. What's your favorite face, body, or both sunscreen? So I would say sunscreen is super important. I just bought another one of these. This is the second one that I have purchased. This is from CeraVe, and this is the hydrating sunscreen. It is SPF 50. This is awesome. And you know why I like this? It doesn't like burn. It doesn't get into your eyes. It is really nice. It is just like a lotion. It's got all of the active ingredients. It's by CeraVe, which is a great, great brand that I love for my sensitive skin. It's just really nice. This says it is, let's see, National Eczema Association accepted mineral sunscreen, lightweight, non-greasy feel, 3 essential ceramides and niacinamides. All right, number 7, after a day in the summer sun and heat, what do you do to cool off? I'd say a big old frozen margarita, of course. Number 8, how do you wear your hair in the summer? So I always had my hair up on top of my head in a big old ponytail, you know, up until recently when my hair got chopped off, but I can't really do much of a ponytail anymore. So I have been, like when I go out on my walks, I have been just putting it up like this. But yeah, for the most part, you'll find it up. Sometimes I just kind of have it all up on top of my head. Or now I've got my short hair, I can just rock it like this. Number 9, must have nail polish for summer. So I just showed you my tie-dye summer nails that I did using my favorite nail polish. This is from Glisten and Glow. Last year she had a whole collection, she as in Jill, They're an indie nail polish brand that is sold online, and Jill's the owner. They have different collections every season, and for the summer season last year, they came out with all these neons. I love the formula of these. They are like one coat type polishes. They stay, they don't chip very easily. These are great quality polishes, and they're really good affordable prices. Number 10, sometimes it just feels good to chill out and watch Netflix. What shows, movies do you recommend for summertime watching? So I have a little list here because I love Netflix. There is this series that we just finished. It's called Sex Education. Have you guys seen or heard about it? It is so good. It is based in, I want to say maybe UK or London. But what it is, it's about a boy. He's, I want to say, a senior in high school. His mom is a sex therapist. And so he kind of overhears her giving advice to her clients. And so he decides to go and be a sex therapist to his high school peers. It is so funny. It is awesome. The mother in the show is Gillian Anderson from the X-Files. I didn't even know she was British. But anyways, great series. I think I just finished the second series, and I think we're waiting for the third one to come out. So that's definitely a fun, kind of raunchy selection. We've also been enjoying Dark, that the new season just started. Wentworth, oh my gosh, Wentworth, you guys, it's an Australian prison drama. Whew, that is a good one. I've watched it ever since season 1. I think season 8 is supposed to come out pretty soon, so I'm really excited about that. Dirty John, that was a really good one. Virgin River, total chick flick type series. That's a really good one as well. And then Black Mirror. And the other thing I wanted to mention, it's not on Netflix, but HBO has McMillions. Have you guys heard about that? McMillions is all about the scam that happened with the McDonald's Monopoly game. If you have not seen it, you've got to see it. It is really, really interesting, and we really enjoyed that one as well. Number 11, do you wear liquid foundation, BB cream, or tinted moisturizer in the summer? So, you know, this summer's been a little bit different than summers past because I really, with this pandemic, have not been going anywhere and haven't really worn much makeup at all. But I do have 2 different foundations that I enjoy that I've been wearing this summer overall. I've got the Arborian CC Cream. This stuff is really cool. It's in the color Claire, and what you do, you kind of squirt it out and it comes out white. But when you blend it into your skin, it goes, ooh, I put a lot on. Yikes. It blends into your skin tone. Do you see that? It kind of blends in to match your skin tone. I really, really like this stuff. It's super comfortable. Look at that. It's just kind of blended into your skin. It gives you really nice coverage without looking too makeup-y. I love this stuff, and we'll probably buy another one of these when this is all done. I got this on Amazon, so you may want to check there. I'll leave everything linked below as well. And the other foundation that I have used, tried and true, time and time again, this is Maybelline Superstay. Over here I put that this is my summer color, and then I usually put when I purchase it just so I know, you know, how long I've had it. This is color number 118. I had to go a darker color to match my new tanned complexion, but this is a tried and true as well. Number 12, it's super bright outside. Do you reach for sunglasses or a hat? Yes, it is very bright outside. I usually wear just sunglasses. I'm not much of a hat person. If I do wear a hat, it's just a baseball cap of my husband's or something. But sunglasses, I would say everyday sunglasses are my just generic Ray-Bans. I got these back in the springtime. I love these so much. And then I also splurged on these when I got my new car back in, I think it was March. These are from Gucci, and I love these as well. Number 13, what is your summer jam this year? I would have to say there's a favorite that me and my daughter scream at every time it comes on the radio. We actually did a TikTok dance to it. It took me forever to learn that dance, but what it's called, I don't even know who it's by. I'm a Savage. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? He goes, I'm a savage. Classic, bougie, nasty. Do you know that one? Yeah. I'll shut up now. Number 14, bikini, tankini, or one piece. Show us your favorite bathing suit this year. Actually, that won't be happening. I have got a bathing suit that I've had probably for the last 5 years. I wear the same one over and over. Bathing suits are not my friend. Therefore, I hate shopping for bathing suits. But generally what I do, I like 2 pieces. I have, I know, don't freak out, not a bikini. It's like a top, and then I like the shorts. I don't even like just a regular bathing suit bottom. I like just like the bathing suit shorts. I'll leave it at that. Number 15, summer wouldn't be complete without a scoop or 2 of ice cream. If you could create your own ice cream flavor, what would it be? Well, anything chocolate with stuff in it. I love chocolate with like Reese's peanut butter cups or brownies or fudge, or I like the big chunky, yummy, hearty ice cream. I love ice cream. Oh my gosh, I love ice cream. I really enjoy, my favorite one is Haagen-Dazs peanut butter cup. I think that's what it's called, peanut butter cup. It's so good. You know, there is another ice cream that I want to tell you about that I really actually have been enjoying lately. It's half the sugar and half the carbs and all that stuff. It's called Halo Top. It comes in those little pints. And then they also have the bars that are on the stick that are actually really pretty good and much, much better for you than the good stuff that I like. So if you've been wondering about Halo Top and you just were not sure, I would say definitely try it out. It is more expensive, but it is healthier. And with that, we are done. That was a lot of fun, right? I enjoyed doing a tag video for a change. Let me know if there's any type of videos that you would like to see upcoming. I've got tons of empties that I need to get through. That's probably going to be an upcoming video. I've got a few new drugstore products that I want to share with you. That's going to be another video coming soon. But if you have any other ideas for videos, let me know. I would love to hear from you. So of course, leave me comments down below. And with that, I think we're good. So I appreciate you being here so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.